Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing ATEEZ's Golden Hour Part 4. This is the Z version. First I have this ATEEZ Adrenaline freebie. This is your song. And on the back is San. Now let's open the album. Let's start with the photo book. Let's flip through. Now let's view the items that came inside. We have the CD. We have this accordion book. Now we have this poster. We have this word finder. It says, "And when mutual universes collide." We have this sticker. And last but not least, we have these two photo cards. Let's start with this one. So for this first card, we have Sangwa. And for this second card, we have Yosan. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.